A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for carrot. D is for dewberry. E is for eggplant. F is for fig. G is for grapes. H is for hot chili. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jalapeno. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. M is for mushroom. N is for nectarine. O is for orange. P is for pineapple. Q is for quince. R is for radish. S is for strawberry. T is for tangerine. U is for ugly fruit. V is for Victoria plum. W is for watermelon. X is for Ximenia. Y is for yellow pepper. Z is for zucchini.